Okay, Jeffrey, here's a gist of how to create a hole like this. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'm just gonna do this on video. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is to create a curve on your top view, something like that. And this part is going to be a straight extrusion. So you can extrude this curve do something like this, and so you want to get pretty much straight looking type of section like this out of it. So go to your front view and now draw a line, side edge line that is going to look like what you're trying to do. So I think that's going to be like this. You can end a curve and start another curve here so that you get that kind of kink. Okay, so those are two lines that you need to have. And now what you can do is you can run project command on these for this curve to the surface, and it needs to be on the front view because this is a view you're projecting. Okay, so now this curve is projected onto the surface. Okay, so your surface is correctly projected on the surface. Okay, now you have to join these curves because they are two separated curves. So join these two together, and using this curve you can run trim command and trim out the bottom portion of this surface. Okay, so that's good. So now we have to create second set of surface that is going to be the bottom side of the hole. So let's go ahead and draw another line on the top view with project on. That's gonna make you draw a planar curve. So so we draw this, and since we drew it on the plane, you have to move it somehow to this level. Okay, so now we have this line and this surface. We need to draw bridging lines between these two. So what you need to do is you can just run divide command on both top line and bottom line. So divide and segments of 4. So that's going to give you these points for reference. And you can also run divide command on the bottom one. And we will ignore this point on the top surface because we want to just use this kinked point for this point to bridge between these two. So you can just draw a straight line from with project off from this kink to from this kink to this point, and also connect all the points between them. Okay. With single segment polyline. Okay, so now what you want to do is you can rebuild these lines. So rebuild these lines to 3 segments and 2 degree curves. So rebuild, and also these lines needs to be rebuilt also. Okay, so now you can also then run turn on history right here for Mac, and bottom right corner for PC, and the command you will run is sweep 2, and the cross-section curves are this top one and this bottom one. No, these are the rail curves, and the cross-section curves are all of these 5 curves that I have right here. Okay, so you get this kind of surface. The cool thing about the history is that now you have all of these lines, so you can turn on control points by pressing clicking on the curve and pressing F10, or you can also type PON for points on, PON. Select these lines, PON, select these lines, PON. Okay. Okay, so if you do that, then you can really start manipulating these surfaces by pulling gumball to add, you know, curvature or some kind of like, you know, concavity. Okay, so this is essentially how you create this kind of surface that are two surfaces kind of coming together. Okay, I hope it's gonna work, and happy 4th of July.